All right, this is your vocabulary page that we started at the beginning of the week. So I need you to do the words in red. Pause this, write the definitions and the examples: relation, domain, range, and mapping. When you're done, I need you to get out your, this is 3.3 packet. When we talk about functions, a function means that each x has only one y value. And this will make sense as we go through it. We call the x our input. That's what we put in. And what we get out is our y, which is our output. Wow. Our output. So all that means is we're going to look at these coordinates, these ordered pairs, and if the x repeats, it is not a function. If there's no repeating of the x, it is a function. If the y repeats, we don't care. So in number 1, my x is 5, 3, 2, 0, -1. This 5, 3, 2, 0, -1. None of those numbers repeat, so this is a function. Let's look at number 2. The x, we don't care about the y's. Even if they were all the same, it wouldn't matter. -2, 0, 2, 3, 2. Well, this is not a function because we have a repeating 2 right there. So that makes it not a function. The next one, -4, -3, -2, -1, -3. This one's got repeating 3's, which means not a function. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing repeats. This is a function. So that's super easy to look at the coordinates and say yes function, no function. Now let's look at it in table form and map form. So table form is the same way. I'm going to look at these numbers right here. Do any of them repeat? As a matter of fact, they do, Miss Hall. The 3's repeat, so this is not a function. All right, let's look at the next one. My x's are -4, change colors on you, -2, 1, 2, and 5. Nothing repeats, which means this is allowed to be a function. -5, 3, 0, 1, 2. Nothing repeating, function. Number 8. 1, 4, 7, 4, -1. I got the 4's that repeat, so this is not a function. All right. When I look at the maps, I am only allowed to have one number going off of each x value. So these are my x values. There's only one line coming off of 3, one line coming off of 1, one line off of 2, and one line off of 4. Now, there's 2 right here that go on to 4, but we don't care about that. All I care is that only one line is going off of these numbers. Since there's only one line, this is a function. When I look at this other one, though, I have 2 lines right here coming off of that 1. So because that means that -1, if I was going to write that, it'd be -1, 0, and it'd also be -1, 7. So that -1 has repeated. Because it repeated, we got not a function. All right, flip over to the next page. This is when I get out my handy-dandy vertical line tester. Ta-da! And as I go across, you see it touches that one dot right there, but only that one dot. So that's okay. Here it touches one dot. That's fine. Oh no! It's touching two dots at the same time. That is illegal. So that makes it not a function. All right, let's look at the next one. I'm testing with my vertical line tester. Beep, 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 beep. That's okay. It only touches that one. Beep, beep, beep. Only touching one. Beep, beep, beep. Only touching one. Beep, 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 beep. Only touches one. So this, yes, I'm going to write yes. This is a function. All right, let's look at the next one with dots. Points, excuse me. All right, I'm only touching that one dot right there. Now I'm only touching that one dot right there. Now I'm only touching that one dot right there. Oh, I'm touching two dots at the same time. Illegal. Not a function. All right, we're going to do the same thing with our vertical line testers down here on 14. So right now, it's touching the line. That's okay though. Beep, 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 beep. Oh no. Do you see how right here it's touching right here and down here at the same time? That is illegal. It's only allowed to touch the line once at a time. So this is not a function. All right, next one. Beep, 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 beep. That one was okay, because see, it touches the whole time, but it only touches it in one place on the line. So that one's good. And then my last one, let's test it. Beep, 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 beep. So far, it's only touching up one place at a time. Beep, 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 beep. Yay! That one is a function also. I want to show you, though, what would happen if those squiggles had been going the other way. If this is my graph, and those squiggles had been like this, let's see what would happen then. Oh no, do you see right here the squiggle is touching the lightsaber twice at the same time? Actually, it would touch 4 if I have it a long enough lightsaber. So this right here would not be a function. All right, you have a couple IXLs to do. It will be Q4 and Q5. They're super easy. You're just saying yes or no, function, not a function. You got this.